guys, so we are at the Rio, still at the Rio, and it is seafood night, so we're gonna see what they have. So far I've been seeing lobster, oysters, and all these things. The lineup look pretty good tonight. They look better than the breakfast, so hopefully everything is delicious. I am excited. You know, I'm gonna bring it with me. Yeah, make sure we have 2 plates, so it's gonna be great. But it's a whole line going on right here. Let me show you. Everybody line up to get them seafood. Look, come on, jeez, nice fresh batch. That's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about. I am so excited. You know, so I'm not really fancy lobster and them thing they bought just because they are. Look, I will be eating lobster tonight.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. Okay.
Oh, so refreshing.
I love it. Just one, yeah. Thank you. Wow. Definitely burger. Look at them on.
Hey, can you send the pepper roll and finish here?
Wow.
Yeah.
Lit on point. Thank you.
How you doing? Ay. Come again? Yes. Please and thank you.
Fabulous. Okay, let's keep moving. God of mercy. Can't believe them are going to do this to me today, guys. The lineup can look really good. I'm not telling a lie. It's a lineup here for rice and peas. Yes. When we try the rice and peas out of the jerk out today, I want to miss rice and peas I've had in a while. So you know, say we're there and we don't really want a whole heap of rice, not true? Steel man, stir it up. Look and steam. They look like the time I talk to them, both of them do much better. Love that. That's what I'm talking about. Keeping it not rice. You don't say fried chicken. Excuse me, find this a Thai pot up there. Fabulous. Alright, fritters, patty, pumpkin, rice, yam. Nope. Over here, so they have Brussels sprouts, baked beans, glazed carrot. No, not a pan. Escabute sauce. Let them fry some farmer grilled fish, grilled trout, tuna, baked potato, rice and peas, and some of the same thing. What else is that? Pizza. Pizza flavor. Okay. Pasta. No man, the variety them come out nice tonight. Bread with ackee and them things there. This is beautiful. In here, it looks like everybody knows say I like seafood night. I don't know if them say 6 meat, 2 meat, 3 meat, 4 meat. But I'm not telling a lie. Yours upon a Sunday, me never there like on the other days then, but this is a Sunday night and this is the menu. Very fantabulous. I love it. This is a mashed potato and
hey, how we doing tonight?
Good.
Okay. Over dessert, we got fried ice cream, okay?
man.
All right. Okay. Try some.
Fried ice cream. We have a come back. I have to come back and try that.
Yeah, one more. I'm not having anything else.
Just fair, no problem.
Thank you.
Have a good night.
Hello. Hi. Yes, that's a small piece. That's fine. Thank you.
Enjoy.
Wow. Fried ice cream. You know we will come back and try that. We have to come back and try that. Them also have hot dog and burger. And basically the same thing as yours. So, yep. And of course, I don't like to make an abrupt people. sauteed zucchini, loaves. Oh, Asian food station. This is nice. Okay. Dal curry, curry pork, beef, chickpeas. Wow. I'm impressed. And the plate of like down at the bottom of the plate, you know, say everything hot because the plate of bone meat. Over here, so them have an ice cream station, strawberry ice cream, pistachio, chocolate, grape nuts. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. This is what I'm talking about. And then have cake, brownie. Oh, you can see that. You're lying. That looks like a sweet potato pudding. Jesus Christ, me have to come back for that. And then have the jelly man over so look like coconuts. I give it. You see them stay and meat end up have to buy coconut today. So them I give eat for free in the night. No, they have to come down. And them have what a jello shots and something. Jeez. Fabulous. Fabulous. I love that. Over here so them have soup, chicken soup, broccoli soup. I love it. Guys, the lineup is really good. I'm telling you. They have the cheese station, they have apple. It's a very busy night. Tonight they're also gonna have headphone parties and a couple other things. I'm not sure them all go on, but yeah. Let me try to find my family because God Almighty, by the time I walk around and look, everybody done and gone. But yeah. Limit. Wonderful, fabulous.
Fried chicken.
Me. It don't matter where we go, I have to have the fried chicken. And the rice and peas? Definitely.
You put me.
So hard to eat.
Wow. I'm not even a lobster person, but bro.
Couldn't do it no more.
I have to take a picture of my plate, I can imagine.
It's crazy.
That's crazy.
Mom, you drink your beer.
Lobster,
Why did you eat two jars?
so good. I could try oxtail. Because you know, we have a kind of bittersweet moment with oxtail, you know. So the oxtail is a red flag, no. Okay? You need to cook some more. So one other piece here, pataita, I fall off the bone, so maybe that one is a little bit tougher. Alright. So this come like say, when they cook oxtail like 2 times in a 2 separate pot, and then when they done, they put it all together, and that happen. One I pot, then cook and one not cook. So right now I have to go back and pick out the oxtail and we cook. Can you imagine? That's crazy. Beef. I don't know why I always take beef. Every time I take beef is salt. God Almighty, care. I'm done. I'm done.
It tastes like Tami shrimp.
What?
It's like shrimp, Tami.
Which one? Mushroom pasta? Is that good?
It's alright. I like the shrimp pasta.
Okay. Grape nut is my favorite. Fry ever since. Rum and raisin. Which one do you like? You prefer chocolate? You know, me used to love chocolate one time, but me eat it too much in the Clyde. And that's my problem. You know when you overdo something, I have a breezy. Jamaica flavor. Orange raisin. That not ready. We're at the ice cream station and we are gonna get grape nut ice cream. That's my favorite. Thank you. Thank you. They want me to work an ice cream shop, you know, I just say. And you see them have, it look like a sweet potato food and God almighty, me out run like a river to rot it. Me not sure. Me not sure. Why they mix the brown? No. It look goodnish, but yeah, you can't bother with the whole pack. Oh, which flavor you get? Alright. Run it here now. Let's see. Fabulous.
You've already got a
I just
biscuit.
want to get a chocolate one. I'm not telling a lie. I see they have a pot of chicken soup and I tell you the truth. I feel like I could have handled that. I feel like I could have handled it, but why?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I made this, you know. Yeah. Good way, good. Let's go back and this. Come on. Grape nut ice cream. This looks like a sweet potato pudding. Or a cornmeal pudding. I'm not sure. Chocolate cake. And yeah, growing up, I tell you now, grape nut ice cream was always my favorite. So this was such a delight to see. I am so excited. It was definitely a surprise delight and hopefully it tastes good. Let's try it. Wow. It burns. It's not bad. It's not bad. Try this. It's coming like a
Must be tired.
like a pumpkin. It's like
Did you see
a pumpkin pudding.
on the counter when you were walking out?
Like a cornmeal mixed with pumpkin. Yeah.
Like slapped on the table.
We need answers. It tastes really good though. Guys, imagine when me there. It's coming like say right in a Japanese, but hey, hello.
Yeah.
Okay now. Let's try it and rate it 1 to 10 a draw. You don't have to get the but no. Eh? You say I want piece?